Hey, how's it going? Mike Kozik here with Alta Technologies. We've been alive since '95, kicking it in the IT industry. Happy to be here at BrokerBin conference in Vegas. Excited to meet some of you guys, reconnect with some of you guys. Should be a great time. Alta, we've been doing this for a long time, 27 years now, and working with PCs, laptops, servers, storage, you name it. We pretty much put our hands on it. So we buy, we sell, and we do it well. So we have many different product managers here. Our sales reps, we want to specialize in what we work with. So if you want details or you want to know about IBM servers, you'll get an IBM rep. If you want to know about Dell servers, you'll get a Dell rep. So we want to make sure that we're masters of what we do and not just jack of a lot of things. So we have great technicians on staff. Everything that comes in through our door, we test it out, break it down if we need to, throw away what's bad, keep what's good, and we're stocking tons of stuff. Lots of servers on the shelves that we can do custom configs. So whether it's one server you're looking for or 100 servers, no job is too big or too small. If parts is your deal, if you're a maintenance company or if you have if you're an end user that needs replacement parts, we stock over 250,000 parts in our warehouse at any given time. So we have the ability to pull it off the shelf. It's already been tested, so we verify it, make sure it's the right thing, pack it up, and we can ship it out same day to almost anywhere in the world. We get ship done. We do it, and we do it a lot. One new thing we've added also at Alta Tech is we have a 24-hour coverage. So if you have a down system or if you have a customer that needs something taken care of in the middle of the night, we have an on-call staff. All you do is give them a call, and they'll get you a quote. And we have the ability to either ship it out FedEx if they're still open or whatever it is, or even put it on a next flight out deal. So we want to minimize your downtime and make it as painless as possible. We love to buy stuff, so whether you're an ITAD or if you're another broker who has extra gear or whatever it is, we're always looking to keep our inventory stocked up and our shelves, with full of what we need. So give us a call. Visit us at altatechnologies.com for more info. But looking forward to working with you guys all. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.